Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back at you with another insane video! Woo! Yeah, let's go make that money! Woo! Yeah, alright. Now in this video we got $139,000 in 1 month. You heard that right, folks. 139K in 1 month. Simple and easy. Watch how Benjamin does it. You could do it too. Click the link in the description after you watch the video. No links. Go! Woo!
Let's keep going to crack revenue here. Okay, this is an adult network. This is paid ads. This is 3 to 5x ROIs. It varies each day. That's $139,000. Let me refresh real quick. Boom! Boom! Okay. I thought it would refresh faster. Okay, yeah, so $139,000 just from adult marketing. That's pretty crazy, right? And like all these offers work, by the way, just to throw it out there, just to let you know, like all these offers here, they work.
Hey listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy, and the great thing is anyone can do it. I mean anyone. Just click the link in the description and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!